Let me show you a couple of secrets on how to cook a perfect poached egg. Two key things to think about when cooking a poached egg. One is the egg, humble ingredient. We always try and use free range. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature, that's really important. So two key things. One, fresh egg. Two, room temperature. So another key component to poaching an egg is your water. You want it simmering, not boiling, because we're poaching it, we're not boiling it. So you want it simmering, just ticking over, which I'll show you in a minute. So as you can see, the water's just bubbling, it's just ticking over. That's exactly how you want it. Now in the water, I put a teaspoon of salt. So now I've got the salt in. I also put in around a teaspoon, or maybe a bit more, of white wine vinegar. Now the salt and the white wine vinegar helps the egg as it falls in the water to keep a shape and to form itself around itself. You'll see in a minute as we drop the egg in. So I'm using large free range eggs. One trick with an egg, if you're not that comfortable with cracking it straight into the water, is just crack it into a bowl. And that helps you when you're tipping it into the water. Come quite close so there's no deep splash of water, but you'll see as the egg goes in, I'll do one with just dropping it in as well. There we go. Now we're going to leave that for 3 or 4 minutes because they're large eggs, but a large egg is better than a medium egg as far as I'm concerned because you get more of it. So as you can see, the white has formed around the yolk. They're not rapidly boiling, they're just ticking over nicely. So what you're looking for in the texture of the egg once it's poached is the white is firm and cooked, but the middle is soft and runny. Now if you like your eggs well done, just keep it cooking in the water for longer. So to test and see whether the egg is cooked, just get a slotted spoon, and you can see that there's a bounce in there, but it's still quite soft, so we're going to want it a bit longer. Now this part of the video is quite a laugh really, because I was going to film me cooking my lovely rainbow chard and poached eggs and toasting off my white roll and making a lovely sandwich, which you'll see in the end is a nice sandwich. There we go. But by the time I'd faffed around doing all the filming and I cut the eggs, they were great, and I positioned my camera in a different place, but I cut them and did it all and it was lovely, as I said, but I forgot to push record on the film, so I've done another egg. So here we go. Just dab out the poached egg on some kitchen towels so there's no water everywhere, and then there's the bounce. That's the bounce you're looking for. Firm, but bounces back but still soft. Perfect egg. And I will just show you now as I cut it open quickly. Again, as I said before, if you like it harder, just leave it in the water longer. So there you go, it's my perfect poached egg. I hope you enjoy giving it a go yourself. Let me know in the comments below how you get on.